Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you have appeared for class 10th board exam last year 25-26 and you have got scanned copy of your answer book and now you are applying for verification of marks and revaluation, then in this video I will give you step-by-step process. Now let's see in detail. So first you need to go on official website of CBSE, which is cbse.gov.in. Here you will get multiple options. So first option, which is main website, you need to click on that. So now let's click here. So it will take you to the official website of CBSE. Now if you scroll down here, then you will get one option of verification process here. So you need to click on this drop down and you will get this verification. So now let's click for verification. Then it will say the link will take you to external website. So now click on OK button. Now it will take you to this site where it says post result activity online application for verification of issue and revaluation of answer book for class 10th examination 2026. So here you need to apply for verification and revaluation. From here you can download the previous year question paper, marking scheme. You can click here for photocopy verification, and this is the circular released on 5th August regarding deadlines, payment, all the things. And few important notice that a student can apply for scanned copy of answer book for any subject taken in main board exam. Class 10th student who applied for and obtained answer book will only be eligible. Means if you have already got your photocopy of answer book, then only you are eligible, otherwise you are not eligible. For subject taken in both exam, and student can obtain both answer book, but verification or revaluation can request for only one answer book, either main or second board exam. So now let's click here to apply. So once you click here to apply, you will get this page where you need to fill your detail as per your admit card. So first you need to write your answer book application ID, then roll number which is given in your admit card, then your school number, and if you're private candidate without, means you're not from any school, so you can write 5 9s. Then you need to enter the center number, security code, and click on proceed. So now let's fill this detail. Once you click on proceed, you will get this information that OTP is sent to your email ID, and that OTP you need to enter here and click on verify OTP. So now let's enter the OTP. Next, they are going to ask you application for verification of class 10. Select your application. So your first question is, do you want to proceed for verification of marks? So here you have two options, either yes or no. So if you want to apply for that verification, you can click yes, otherwise you can click no, because you can apply for only verification, only the evaluation, or both. But here I am going to apply only for revaluation, so there is no need for verification. So I will just click on OK, and then I will press next button. In next page, they have given me the information that verification was not selected. Please answer the revaluation question. Do you want to proceed for revaluation? So obviously yes, I am going to apply for revaluation, and if I want to change for verification, I can change from here. So I don't want to change, so yes for reverification and click on continue. Remember, change my selection if you answer verification incorrectly. This is only possible before application is saved and before fees is logged. So now I will click on continue button. Now for application for revaluation, here they will show my roll number, name, and photocopy of answer book which I have already applied. And few instructions are also given for student, like select subject. First you need to select the subject, then question number, page number on which question is attempted in your answer book, then marks as per marking scheme, and reason for getting it reevaluated. Then click on select for reevaluation button to select the question. When you select the question, the same will be added in question table. You can edit it by clicking edit button and click on update. When you have done for, click on final submission. Remember, you cannot edit after final submission. So now as you can see, you are going to get this thing. First select the subject, then select the question number, answer book page number, marking as per marking scheme. So here you need to write the total marks of that question. Then reason for the evaluation, you need to mention the reason why you want to apply for the evaluation, whether that you have written the correct point but marks is not given, whatever reason you have. Then click on add button. Once you click on the add button, you are going to get the same again to enter for next question. So now as you can see, I have added all this. So you can edit also and you can delete also. So I have done all here. Now, as you can see here, it's confirm application fees. So here clearly it's written, once you confirm, your selected application will be logged and payment will start. And you won't be able to add or remove any subject or question. You won't be able to modify verification or the evaluation detail. You will not be able to apply for unselected service after the request is logged. So you are confirming revaluation only. Verification cannot be added after this confirmation. So CBSE is clearly giving you this instruction. So you should be 100% sure before locking this. So one candidate, one combined payment. Please review everything carefully before locking. If you are sure, then click on lock revaluation only and pay now. Still you have the application option to apply for revaluation for verification. Here you can add or modify revaluation. After that only you can go for the payment. Means still at this stage also you have the chance to modify all your details, verification and revaluation. But once you click on this lock revaluation only and pay now, you won't be able to change. Now if I click it here, I will go to the payment page where I need to fill my bank detail and all and need to complete the payment process. Once my payment is done, my application will be submitted to CBSE. So I hope that this step-by-step guide will help you in completing the process correctly. If you found this video useful, please like the video, hype the video, share it with other class 10 students and subscribe to the channel for more CBSE update, exam information and step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching. All the best.